Hello friends, in this video we will going to learn about how to create drop-down list using data validation. For example, I want this accepted, rejected or under review, these in three inputs to come in the E column, in the application column. And I can just want these three inputs to come in the menu, and I can just select one of them as per my criteria. So this drop down menu can be created using data validation. Now, how I created, let's see with the help of an example. Similar example in next sheet. Now, we have two ways to create it. First, I will just put my cursor on this D4 cell and then I will go to data tab. In data tab, I will go to this data validation symbol. This is the data validation dialog box will appear. Now, I want to allow the list to appear, and in list I want these three inputs. I can just select these three inputs or can manually write the accepted, comma, rejected, comma and under review, or can just give a reference of the cell. I can just press OK, and now my data validation list has been prepared. I can just click on this arrow, downside arrow, and can select my inputs. Now this is the first technique. Let's do some second technique with the help of a name manager. Now I will just name these three inputs, and instead of selecting or giving the reference of the cell, I will just give the name of the cells which I have selected. So I will just name them. How can I name them? In the formula tab, you can just define its name under the define name tab. So I want to name these three inputs as valid underscore inputs. Kindly note friends here that there is no space allowed in between of the words. So that is why I have written underscore, and I want to apply this in the workbook. No need to give comments and refers to these cells. I just press OK. Okay, the name already exists. So I have given the similar name in the sheet 1 as well. So we'll give another name, only inputs, and press OK. So these three cells have been named as inputs, and which can be also be visible by this name bar. Now I will put my cursor here where I want to apply the data validation. Then I will go to data tab. In data tab, I will just press this again, data validation from the list, and I want to give what I will press equal to, and then I will write inputs and just press OK. Now I will get my same inputs which I have earlier manually given a reference of the cells instead of naming them. So in this manner you can create your drop down menu using data validation. Why it is called validation criteria? It is called validation criteria because if I want to give another name, if I want to say if I want to give another name, yes, accepted, then this pop-up menu will appear which will restrict me to give any other name other than the defined name which have been applied in the list, data validation list. So I cannot give any other name other than these three inputs. So this I want to share with you friends. If you like the video, please like and share, and consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you. Jai Hind, and have a nice day.